welcome to Riddock at Home. My name's Lisa, and just in time for Mother's Day, I thought it might be fun to make some jewellery bowls with a marbling effect out of polymer clay. So for this project you need an oven, and that oven needs to be preheated to about 130 degrees. So you'll also need some polymer clay in various colours. You can use different brands together for this project, it's totally fine. So you'll also need some heat-proof bowls. Just check the labels on the back to make sure that they can withstand going into an oven. You'll also need a rolling pin and maybe a sharp knife. Don't forget to work on a nice flat surface, maybe a kitchen bench. So I've started by rolling out strands of the colours I'm going to work with. So 2 or 3 strands in each colour is fine. So you're just rolling them out to about the same length. They can be various thicknesses though. So now I put all the colours together and I start squeezing and twisting to get those colours combined. So as I'm twisting, a bit like a candy cane, it may start to crumble, but that's totally fine. As the clay warms up and the more you work it, the clay will become smooth and they'll start to really hold together. So I'm rolling and twisting, I'm doubling it over and twisting more, and I maybe do this 3 or 4 times to really get those colours to blend nicely. So once I'm happy with how much marbling has happened, I roll it into a ball, nice and smooth. Then the next step is pretty easy. You're just rolling that out with a rolling pin or a flat edge of a glass on the side of the glass. And then you're rolling it out to about 4 to 5 mil thickness in a nice circle. So you'll notice that both sides marble, so pick the side that you like best, and that can be the side that faces up in your bowl. So now you're just going to gently place that into your oven-proof bowl, just pressing down, getting out the air bubbles. And that goes onto a baking tray and bakes for about 25 minutes. So it does need to cool completely before you take it out of the mould, as it does stay a little bit soft until it's completely cold. So if it doesn't tap out easily, just use the tip of a knife to pry it out gently. And here's some of my projects that I made earlier. The amount of bowls and variations you can do is endless, so have some fun with it. Enjoy. Bye.